Alright, y'all. This is going on this channel, you know, this new channel, Max Price. Okay. No, this channel is really gonna be about, you know, might have a little bit of motor riding in it, dirt bike riding, fishing, maybe some hunting, and some how-to repair videos, stuff like that. Maybe some reviews on some stuff. But yeah, y'all go ahead, subscribe, cause y'all gonna be in for a wild ride. But anyways, you know, just to have a video, even though I already have a video up on here, we're gonna do something special real quick. I'm gonna show you, if you got one of these Husqvarna mowers with this Briggs and Stratton, yeah, you know what I mean, and it won't crank, you know. This is wrong with ours. I don't know what it is, what part you need to change, but it's an easy fix. So I'm gonna show you. Alright, so right here, you know, you're on your motor. You want to take this off. It's gonna be at the front. It's gonna be where your air filter is. So you want to take that off. Take the air filter off. You know, it's gonna be on there like that. Pop it off like that. All right. Now you want to get your gas. All right, and just take your filter, put it on the ground. It'll be all right, you know. And you're just gonna pour a little bit of gas in there. All right. Look at it, shake it up a little bit, make sure it's actually touching up on the filter and stuff. And once you do that, go pop it up on there. And put your top back on. You know, it's gonna kind of choke it, I guess. It's gonna make it idle high for a little bit, but it's gonna crank up. Alright. And then, you know, if this our starter don't work, so you gotta jump it with the deal, you know. I got this Noco jump box. Works pretty stinking good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I probably should have did it before. Show y'all that it wasn't gonna crank up before I put stuff in it. But just trust me. Turn that on. Key on. Put it on the choke. And then it started, and yeah, that's what you could do if you're having the problem that your mower won't start up. Yeah, that's what you could do. I'll see y'all guys in the next video.